Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the front and back cameras on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro aka Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge mobile phones. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and follow with the back cover removal. To pull out the rear cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then remove the board frame by undoing 9 screws. Next, disconnect two battery connectors from the board. Next, disconnect and take out the front camera from the board. Next, disconnect and take out the macro and ultra-wide cameras. Next, take out the bracket, and then take out the primary camera from the board. Next, place the new primary camera on the board, and then secure the bracket. Next, secure the macro and ultra-wide cameras into the board. Next, place the new front camera to the board. Next, connect two battery connectors to the board. Next, secure the board frame by adding 9 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.